Hello students, today we will start higher order derivative. Okay. Now, first order derivative. What is first order derivative? If y equal to fx is a differential function in x, then dx of y or dy upon dx, that is ddx of fx, that is f dash x, that is y dash or y1 or dy. These are symbolic representation of the first derivative of y with respect to x. This is called first order derivative. That means you have to take number of derivatives you want with respect to x. That means if y equal to fx, differentiate once, differentiate y with respect to x once. That means dy upon dx, that is dx of fx. That is called f dash x. This is called first derivative or first order derivative. First derivative or first order derivative. That is symbolically we represent by dy upon dx or ddx of fx or f dash x or y dash or y1 or dy. What is d? D means this is an operator d. D is an operator, that is ddx. That is ddx. Okay. Now go to higher order derivative. Higher order derivative. Definition: the derivative other than first order derivative is called higher order derivative. The derivative other than first derivative. Suppose you have dy by dx is equal to how much? F dash x. Again differentiate this function. Again differentiate this function with respect to x. That means we have write ddx of, again ddx of ये जो function f dash x, इसको डेरिवेट करेंगे f dash x. That is f double dash x. That means in this case fx is differentiated twice. Fx is differentiated twice. Therefore write f double dash x. Now look this ddx of what is f dash x? That is dy upon dx. So ddx of dy upon dx. ddx of dy upon dx, that is called d2y upon dx. ddx of dy by dx, that is called d2y upon dx2. Suppose again differentiate this function with respect to x. That means what? ddx of d2y upon dx2. That means we get d3y upon dx3, d3y upon dx3. These are called higher order derivative. So higher order derivative may be degree 2, degree 3, degree 4 and so on. Okay. So the nth order derivative of y with respect to x is denoted by dny upon dx or dx of fx, dny or fnx or yn or y power n in bracket. Okay. Now look this example. Okay. If y equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx, then show that d2y upon dx2 plus n square y equal to 0. So d2y upon dx2, that means y is differentiated twice. Okay. Plus n square into y equal to 0. Okay. Now how to solve this? Look this. Given that y equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx. But according to the question, y is differentiated twice, 2 times. Okay. Now first differentiate y with respect to x. Now differentiating get ddx of y. So ddx of a cos nx plus b sin nx. Now differentiate term by term. Okay. So ddx of a cos nx plus ddx of b sin nx. Now a is constant, take outside. A into ddx of cos nx plus b ddx of sin nx. Now cos nx का derivative with respect to x. Now we have to check cos nx का derivative with respect to nx, that is minus sin nx. Okay. Again nx का derivative with respect to x, that is going to n plus b sin nx का derivative with respect to nx, that is cos nx. Again nx का derivative with respect to x, that is n. Now look this, a is the common factor to these two terms. So take 2 as common. A whole into minus a sin nx plus b cos nx. So this is the value of d dx of y. Means first derivative of y with respect to x, this one. Okay. But we have find d2y upon dx2. That means y का second derivative, ये तो first derivative. अगर ये first derivative को again differentiate करेंगे तो y is different twice. Now again differentiate y with respect to x. Again differentiate this function dy upon dx with respect to x. That is again differentiate with respect to x, we get ddx of dy upon dx is equal to ddx of a minus a sin nx plus b cos nx. Now differentiate term by term, we get. Now a is the constant. A is the constant, take outside. So ddx of minus a sin nx plus b cos nx. Okay. Now differentiate term by term. So a into minus a is constant, take outside. ddx of sin nx का derivative with respect to nx, that is cos nx, right? Cos nx. Again nx का derivative with respect to x, that is n plus b तो constant, take outside. Now ये जो cos nx इसको डेरिवेट करो x respect पे, we get derivative of cos nx with respect to nx, that is minus sin nx. Again ये जो nx इसका डेरिवेटिव with respect to x, that is n. Again n is the common factor to these two terms. Now take common, so we get ये n, take n common, that is n square minus a cos nx minus b sin nx. Again minus is the common, so take minus common. So minus n square whole into a cos nx plus b sin nx. But look this expression. What is this expression? This expression is y. Okay, because y equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx. So this one equal, so this is y. So we get minus ns per y. Now look this implies ddx upon dy upon dx, that is d2y upon dx2 is equal to ns minus ns per y. Now take this term to left side. We get d2y upon dx2 plus ns per y equal to 0. Now question solve again. Now look this second question. Y equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power mx. Then show that d2y upon dx2 minus m plus n dy upon dx plus mn y equal 0. This question can be written this type. Okay. d2y upon dx2, that is y2 minus m plus n dy upon dx, that is called y1. Right, y1 plus mn y equal to 0. So this question also can be written in this form. Okay. Now we will put this from this pattern. Now look this solution. Given that y equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power mx. Okay. Now we will find y2 and y1. Replace here, then solve, you will get 0. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, that is ddx of y. So ddx of a emx plus b e power mx. dy upon dx, that is y1. So ddx of now differentiate term by term. A is constant, take outside. A into ddx of e power mx plus b into ddx of e power mx. Here we have to use same rule. Now y1 is equal to a into derivative of e power mx with respect to mx, that is e power mx. Again, mx का derivative with respect to x, that is m plus b. Again, e to the power mx with respect to nx, that is e power nx. Again, nx का derivative with respect to x, that is n. Now this is your y1. This is your y1. What we want? y2. What is y2? Derivative of y1. That means we have to differentiate this y1 with respect to x. Again, differentiating with respect to x, that is ddx of y1, that is ddx of a into e power mx into m plus b into e power mx into n. Now differentiate term by term. Okay. For this quantity ddx of y1, we get y2 is equal to a constant, n constant. Take outside. Now differentiate e power mx with respect to x. So we have used chain rule. That means how to use chain rule? E to the power mx का derivative with respect to mx, that is simply e power mx. Again, mx का derivative with respect to x, that is m. Okay. Plus b constant, n constant. Take outside bn. Now differentiate e power nx with respect to nx, so we have to use chain rule. That means e to the power nx का derivative with respect to nx, that is e power mx. Again mx का derivative with respect to x, that is n. Now simplifying we get a mn ms square e power mx plus b ns square e power mx. Okay, so y equal how much? A ms square e power mx plus b ns square e power ns. So ये y1 y2 का वैल्यू है. Now ये y1 y2 का वैल्यू को यहाँ पुट करो. Okay, now take analysis. y2 minus m plus n into y1 plus mn into y1. Now y2 का वैल्यू ये a ms square e power mx plus b ns square e power mx. Okay, now minus m plus n into y1. yn का वैल्यू y1 का वैल्यू ये a e power mx into n plus b e power mx into n. ये y1 का वैल्यू plus mn y. Now mn into y का वैल्यू ये a e power mx plus b e power nx. Now put here a e power mx plus b e power nx. Now after simplifying this expression we get 0. Now how to simplify with this? A ms square e power mx plus b ns square e power nx minus, what is this? Minus m into minus ms square, so minus a ms square e power mx minus plus minus m into n, that will b into mn into e power nx plus again minus a mn e power mx minus b ns square e power nx plus a into mn e power mx plus mn into b or b into mn e power nx. Now look this a ms square e power mx, a ms square e power mx, plus minus cancel, b ns square e nx minus b ns square e power nx, these two are also cancel. Now minus b mn e power nx plus b mn e power nx, these two are also cancel, plus minus cancel, these two are also cancel, so we get 0. This is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Now look this question. If y equal to a cos ln x plus b sin ln x, y equal to a cos ln x plus b sin ln x, we have to prove x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0. Okay. Now look this. Solution. Y equal to a cos ln x plus b sin ln x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get the ddx of y, the ddx of a cos ln x plus b sin ln x. Okay. Now ddx of y, that is y1. So y1 is equal to a constant ddx of cos ln x. Use करेंगे चेन रूल. Cos ln x derivative with respect to ln x, that is minus sin ln x. Again, ln x का derivative with respect to x, 1 by x plus b constant sin ln x का derivative with respect to ln x, that is cos ln x. Again, ln x का derivative with respect to x, that is 1 by x. Okay. Now we get minus a sin ln x by x plus b cos ln x by x. Now take LCM x. So multiplying this x on left hand side, we get xy1 equal to minus a sin ln x plus b cos ln x. Okay, so this is equal to xy1, but we want y2, so क्या करेंगे? फिर डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. Now differentiating with respect to x, so ddx of xy1, the ddx of minus a sin ln x plus b cos ln x. Okay. Now we have to use product rule. We have used product rule. ddx of xy1. Now use this x y1 का डेरिवेटिव y2. Again x का डेरिवेटिव 1 to y1 equal minus h constant. Take outside minus a ddx of sin ln x, ddx of ln sin x, sorry sin ln x, sin ln x plus b constant take outside ddx of cos ln x, that is equal to xy2 plus y1 is equal to minus a constant minus a. Now sin ln x का डेरिवेटिव with respect to ln x, that is cos ln x. So right, cos ln x. Again here ln x का डेरिवेटिव with respect to x, that is 1 by x into 1 by x plus b constant plus b. Now cos ln x का डेरिवेटिव with respect to ln x, that is minus sin ln x minus sin ln x. Okay. Again ln x का डेरिवेटिव with respect to x, that is 1 by x. Okay. Now we get implies xy2 plus y1 equal to minus a multiplying these x on left hand side, we get x into xy2 plus y1 is equal to minus a common take a cos ln x plus b sin ln x. Okay, but this a cos ln x plus b sin ln x, that is your y. That is your y, because y equal to a cos ln x plus b sin ln x. So we can put here y. That is multiplying x square y2 plus x y1 equal to minus y. Now take this minus to left hand side, we get x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal 0. Now question solve again. Okay, look this. Now look this question. If ax plus b into e power y by x equal to x, then we have to show x cube into d to y upon dx2 is equal to x ddx of y minus y whole square. Okay, now look. Solution. Given that ax plus b into e power y by x equal to x. Now take logarithm. Taking logarithm, we get ln x plus b plus ln e power y upon x is equal to ln x. Okay, implies ln ax plus b plus y upon x ln e equal to 1. So y by x is 1, y by x. Okay, is equal to ln x. Now y upon x will have ln x minus ln ax plus b. Here y by x का. Now differentiate this function with respect to x. Now differentiating with respect to x, so ddx of y upon x equal to ddx of ln x minus ln ax plus b. Okay. Now look this. This is a division rule. What is the division rule? That is x square y का derivative dy upon dx into x minus y x का derivative 1 to y into 1 y is equal to ddx upon ln x 1 by x minus ddx of ln x plus b. That means ln x plus b का derivative with respect to x plus b. That is 1 by ax plus b. Again, ax plus b का derivative with respect to x, that is equal to simply that is x dy upon dx minus y by x square is equal to 1 by x minus a by ax plus b. Now multiplying x square on right hand side, we get x dy upon dx minus y is equal to x square by x, that is x minus ax square by ax plus b. Okay, now x dy upon dx minus y. Now take addition ax plus b. तो x into ax plus b minus ax square implies x dy upon dx minus y equal to ax square cancel. So finally bx by ax plus b. Okay. Now this is the value of x dy upon dx minus y equal to a bx by ax plus b. Suppose this is one value. Okay. Now again differentiate because d to y upon dx 2, so we have to differentiate once. Again differentiating with respect to x dx of x into dy upon dx minus y is equal to ddx of bx by ax plus b. Now separate differentiate we get x ddx upon dy upon dx, that is d2y upon dx plus x का डेरिवेटिव 1 into dx dy by dx minus dy upon dx is equal to, now differentiate division rule, x plus b का whole square bx का डेरिवेटिव b into ax plus b minus of bx into ax plus b का डेरिवेटिव a. Now this will cancel, so we get x into d2y upon dx2 is equal to, now simplifying we get abx plus b square minus abx a plus abx cancel, so b square, so we get b square upon x plus b का whole square. So this is the value of x d2y upon dx2 is equal to b square by ax plus b का whole square. But we have to prove x cube into d2y upon dx2. But here coefficient about d2y upon dx2 is x cube. But in this case x. So what we will do? That means we have to multiply x square to this expression to getting x cube. Now multiplying x square, we get x square into x cube. So x cube d2 y upon dx2 is equal to b square x square by ax plus b का whole square. Okay, now this can be written bx upon ax plus b का whole square. Okay, now इसको 2 से represent करो. Now 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get x cube d2y upon dx which will how much? bx by x plus b का whole square. But ये जो bx upon x plus b इसका वैल्यू कितना है? x dy upon dx minus y. तो ये वैल्यू को यहाँ पुट करो. So we get finally from 1 and 2 we get x cube d2y upon dx2 is equal to